video we are going to see about the driller rig in DT based manner.
Yes, so in this video we are going to see about the topic driller rig in our DT based manner. Before going to today's topic, let us recap the things we have seen in the previous session. Yes.
Let's recap the previous things. The previous things is mortar grader. Mortar grader is nothing but it will use it to the construction stage to leveling the loosened soils of same level. If the mortar grader of the components like blade, motor, driver assembly, engines. The engines is used to drive the vehicles and also it used to activate the hydraulic systems, and the blade is used to leveling the soils, and it will help us to reduce the manpower while the constructions the roads and we will leveling the soils.
Good. Okay, so let us come to our today's topic. So as I said earlier, we are going to deal it in a DT based approach. Okay, so first before going in depth into the topic, let us see what are the empathy part of this particular vehicle.
So hello everyone. In empathy part, we need to know the problem, what problem we are facing. In a process of construction and then mining and all digging process, we need to drill a hole in a high land field. We are using a manual humans to dig the land, but in this process we are facing lot of issues like we need a lot of time. It consumes a lot of time by using humans, and also when we go inside the land, it can make some minor or major accident also. So to prevent this, we need on machine to prevent these problems.
Yes, you can define.
So I am going to explain the different part. To reduce this problem, so we are going to create a machine called driller rig. It will reduce the manpower, and it also help us to create a basement for the buildings. So we are going to design this driller rig.
Yes. The driller rig basic.
Basically a driller rig is just a machine which is used for constructing these highways and big buildings like shopping malls and apartments. So mainly it is used for constructing the foundation of the building. So when mainly the foundation will be like in a deep narrow manner. So normally human cannot make this process. In recent times we are using this driller rig for construction of these pillars and the foundations.
So for the driller rig components, the main components which are the driller mast, which is a vertical part which can hold the driller bit into that, and next is rotary system which rotates the drill to make a hole in the hard land. For the drill string, the series of pipes will fit into the old land. And for the power unit, the engine and electrical power which is built into movement of the vehicle, and for the rotating part of the vehicle, the control panel which is used to operate the drill bit and for movement of the vehicle.
Okay, so I'll stop here. We will have some activity and then we can continue the topic. So the activity which we have planned for today is the just a minute. So the topic is that whether this particular special vehicle, especially in construction field, whether it is affecting the employment of the laborers. So this is the topic, and Sirikas is going to discuss about the topic.
Yes, of course. Because of the modern machines, many of the laborers are not getting works. Like basically in small construction, it's okay. Like normal in the small space, we are not going to use those big machines. When it comes to apartments and malls and these highway constructions, like most of the modern equipments have every features, and no need of humans requirement is less. So it completely affects the human labors, and like most of the human labor humans are they work for daily wages. So it is also affected by these machines. Like most of the areas nowadays they are using these machines. Like even in constructing like subway and these also, like everything is done by machine itself. Like human labor is reduced in these days.
Yeah, that was a very good insight on this particular topic. So let us continue our topic. Okay, so let us see the construction working part.
So I am going to explain the construction part. So this driller rig is mounted on trucks or a crawler or thing like trailer, and next part is it is made upon like high quality steels which can withstand heavy loads, and third it is portable and stationary according to the applications, and also it is equipped with hydraulics for smoother operations.
Okay, let's see about working part. The driller is used for digging the narrow path under the surface of the earth. So it has a weight in the drilling bit, so it can travel easily under the ground. And for cooling, while drilling on the ground, it goes more deeper, so it gets more heat. For cooling part, they uses like air pumps air, or they keep fresh muds. And for removing those excess soil under the ground, they uses a like twister-legged material for removing the extra sand or mud materials.
Yes. Okay. So before concluding that, we will have the summary of this topic.
So today first, like Abhilan says, last class we seen a motor grader, and then Surya explained about the construction component part of the vehicle machine, and Mukilan explained the why this vehicle needed, and also the construction of this vehicle, and then in between the gap, Keso explained the employability is losing by these machines or not. These are things we seen in the today class. Thank you.
So that's all about our today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.